Meaning of golden raisin.
Golden raisin.
Golden raisin.
Golden raisin.
Golden raisin. Golden raisins are a type of dried grape made from sultana grapes. They are treated with sulfur dioxide before being dried, which gives them a golden color and a sweeter taste compared to regular raisins. The sulfur dioxide also helps to extend their shelf life. Golden raisins can be used in various ways, such as in baking or as a snack. Due to their sweet flavor and unique texture, they are often preferred over regular raisins in many recipes. Overall, golden raisins are a delicious and versatile ingredient that can add a touch of sweetness to a wide range of dishes.